Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple speed script, well not speed script, but a speed GUI to change your speed in game. It's going to be like a slider. So let's get started. First, we're going to be making obvious stuff, screen GUI, and we are going to be naming it, we will name it Speed GUI, and inside of that, we are going to insert a frame, and it's going to be called slider frame. And let's make it about this big. Make it go. And we're gonna put a stroke inside of it, just like that. 4. And we're gonna make it look a bit modern, so we're gonna get a UI corner. Change the 8 to 12. There you go, and probably put a text label inside of it, which is a bit darker, which says Speed GUI. Just about 50. There we go. Now we have that. And inside of the to make a text button, and we're going to name it to slider button. Oh, I'm done. Hold up. Slider button. Go. Once we're done with that, we're going to hold on. Okay, and once we do that, inside here, we're going to make a text label saying right here, we're going to make it match 100, text scaled like that, and we're going to make it 255, and current speed is going to be 16, and wait, it's going to do that. Control C, Control Shift V. And we're going to remove the border one, which we don't need that. Current speed 16. And then yep. And we will just make a text button, name it slider slider button, and we'll make it like this long. And let's make it a bit something different. Maybe not. I don't really like that. That's better. And let's get the casual stuff. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Yoink. Control C. Control Shift V. Ding 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 I'm just gonna make it blank. And then this is a bit of a long code, but too bad. Local script, and we're going to name it slider logic. Now, pay attention because this is going to be long and it's going to be fast paced. Local player equals wait, okay, local humanoid equals character wait for child humanoid. Local slider frame. Local slider frame equals script parent. Local slider button equals slider frame equals slider frame wait for child slider button. Local speed label equals wait for child. Oh, we gotta name that stuff. We gotta name it first. That will be the speed title. It's gonna be the speed label. Give me this. Yep. Local UIS equals local dragging equals false. Stop dragging it, Nate. Local min underscore speed equals 16. Local max underscore speed equals 100, or you can put that to whatever you want. Local function update slider position x. Local frame pos equals slider frame dot absolute position dot x. Local frame size equals slider frame dot absolute size dot x. Go local relative x equals math dot clamp and x dash frame pose comma 0 comma frame size. Yep. And then space local percent equals relative x dash frame size. Slider button dot position equals udem 2 dot new, and percent dash slider button dot absolute size dot x and slash 2 comma 0 comma 0 and space local new speed equals math dot floor, and then min speed plus and brackets max speed and dash min speed, and then do the little thingy percent, and then humanoid dot walk speed equals new speed. And then let's do speed label dot text equals speed and space, and then we just do that new speed. And outside of that, we're going to do slider button dot input began, and then connect function input, if input dot user input type equals enum dot user input type dot mouse button 1, then dragging equals true. And then after that, we're going to do UIS dot input ended connect function input, if input dot user input type equals enum dot user input type dot mouse button 1, then dragging equals pose. Stop dragging it, mate. UIS dot input changed connect function input, if dragging and input dot user input type equals enum dot user input type dot mouse movement, then update slider position input dot position dot x, and now we are done. Let's test it out, guys. So it's not working yet, but we have got it set up so far. We have got the code set up so far. But we are nearly done. I'll show you in part 2 the rest. So just close up all your code here to make it look a bit more clean. And bang, it looks a bit more clean than it normally is. Close. And we're going to want to save that to Roblox. Don't publish it yet because you're going to get insanely bullied because your script doesn't work. Okay, so we're going to do speed GUI tutorial. You can name it whatever you want though. Save. Okay, goodbye. I'll tell you, I'll give you the rest code because I'm very tired. And I need to get on to the next video. Because I need to upload frequently, else my views are gonna crash. Okay, goodbye. I'll tell you in part 2.